one. Right off the start, Flamingo Mafia getting a ton of those green cubes. Soccer kicking Twinkies, grabbing a lot of cubes as well. Knocking off these red cubes off of their goalposts. Flamingo Mafia looking like they're just trying to get as many green cubes into their system as they can. As we get to 35 seconds of the match, we can now switch track. Purple cubes going on top of Flamingo Mafia. Meanwhile, soccer kicking Twinkies with a ton of cubes for their system. As we get to 25 seconds, you guys must switch track. Flamingo Mafia lifting up, dropping some cubes. It looks like soccer kicking Twinkies are getting lined up to dispense a ton of cubes into this goal. And all of them landed. Flamingo Mafia resetting. With 5 seconds left, can we get these partial marks in?